Deep within you is a small flame of light, like a candle newly lit. Look at the flame inside yourself. See this light as a small flame deep within your lower body, from the lower back. Look into this little flame of light. With each breath, watch as this little flame begins to expand. Ever so slightly, with each breath you take, the light within you expands. The light becomes bigger and bigger and bigger and expands within your entire being. Now your entire being is filled with this great white light. Take another deep breath in and out and allow the light to explode from your being. Now surrounding you from the outside in a gigantic white flame of light, of heat, of vitality, of renewal, and of radiant health. Continue to breathe deeply into this light. Let the light become you. Bask in the loving kindness that is the light from your own being. This is your divine light. This is your bright light. This light has always been yours and can always be yours. Call upon this light anytime you need healing and reminding of the greatness that you are. We ask that in this moment, all cells, all molecules, all parts of your body, and your DNA be corrected, recomposed, and restored to perfect harmony. All cells in your body are now healthy, and all cells that were not healthy fall away outside of your light into the earth to be recycled and renewed. I ask that in this space you feel the lightness and perfection of harmonious health, and a calm, positive, loving mind. Be at peace and be of service both to yourself and to others. Understand and accept the sacred unity of you in this moment. Share this version of yourself with the world. You don't have to turn your light down just because you finish with this visualization. Stay within your light and be mindful of it as often as you are able. In this moment, you are able to experience perfect health and harmony.